I love when I get to make a video about a Clean Pro theme update, and today is one of those videos. My name is Kevin. I'm the helpful hero here to help you leverage the awesome power that is HubSpot. And today we're talking about Clean Pro version 55 and a few of the cool new improvements that you can start taking advantage of today. Namely with the MultiColumn Content module, which is by far one of my favorite modules. It's like the do everything module, and now it even does more. And we're also talking about the tabbed content module and a few new things that you can do with that as well. Now, there have been a few bug-related fixes and a few little under the hood tweaks that I made in this update, but for the most part, here is some cool new toys you can play with. So let's go ahead and jump straight into HubSpot, and I set up this demo page so I can show you a few of those new cool things. So right up top here, we have the MultiColumn Content module. Now, one of the things that I wanted to do with this module is to be able to actually reorder the columns when being stacked on a mobile device. And I've heard quite often, maybe from you, that you want the same thing. Well, guess what? I finally figured out a super intuitive way to actually make that happen, and that's what I'm gonna show you here. So under the Start Here options, you're gonna see that when you select anything more than one column, you're gonna have this little checkbox to use mobile stacking options. When you open that up, you're gonna be met with a bunch of other options that's gonna let you control the position of each of these columns as they stack. Now, prior to this update, whenever they would stack on mobile, you'd have column 1 first, column 2, column 3, column 4, and you had no control. They would just stack in that order. But now you have control. So what you can do is you can just come down here and decide, okay, you know what? I want to flip the script. I want this column 1 to be last. I want column 2 to be third. I want column 3 to be second, and 4 we're gonna do first. Now, the one thing you do want to keep in mind here is that you need these each to be unique. You would not, for example, want 2 or more in second position. That's gonna make things super wonky. Don't do it, trust me. Let's get back to it. So I'll put this back to first and apply these changes. Now, you're not gonna see anything here, obviously, because this only applies to mobile. But if we jump over to our preview right here, in our mobile view, you can see really clearly, there's our 4th column in first position, all the way down to our 1st column in the last position. So this is gonna give you a lot more flexibility as you're starting to build these different layouts and how you actually want those layouts treated on a mobile device. I'm super excited, I hope you are too. Let's move on. The tab content module, as you can see here, now has the option to have the tabs go along the side instead of just the top. So if we click into this module and then go under the style settings, you're gonna see right here, now there's an option to select top or left. By default, it's set to top, and this is probably what you're used to seeing, but now you can actually set that to left to give you a new layout and a new way to actually use this tabbed content module. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoy these new features. If you have any questions about them, feel free to hit me up in the comments below. Or if you have new ideas for improvements for any of the existing modules, hey, or even new modules themselves, I am always an open book, open door. I'm always open. I'm open to these ideas, and it's your feedback that has helped me make Clean the #1 theme on the HubSpot platform. So thank you, keep the ideas rolling, and yeah, with that, I'm out. Have an awesome day, bye.